So the very first question is convert into days. All the parts are given to you and you have to convert them into days only. First part is 2 years. You have to convert 2 years into days. So years are given to us. We have to find out the answer in days. So we will use 1 year is equals to 365 days. 2 years is equals to 2 multiplied by 365. In your rough work, you will find it out the answer. The answer is 730 days. See students, these questions are very simple. So in this way you have to solve. Every time you have to mention the conversion which you are going to follow and which you have to follow. This was the first sum. the next sum which you are going to which we are going to do is, I would like to explain you second sum only. 5 weeks, 100 days. This is the question. You have to convert this whole into days. So again, 1 week is equals to, students, you have to be very careful while recognizing your question, that which conversion you have to follow. Here the question is written to us in weeks and you have to find out the answer in days. So आपके दिमाग में उसी टाइम एकदम क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए that you have to follow that conversion which were in between weeks and days. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 5 weeks. We are not going to touch this 100 because it is already in days. So 5 weeks is equals to 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35 days. But this is not the final answer. We have to add 100 days. So our answer will be 135 days. In this way, you all are going to solve your questions. So I hope these questions are now clear to all of you. So the sums which I am going to give you, you are going to solve those questions. So here in your question, it was given to you was years. I have changed in weeks. So that is why we have got the this answer. 5 weeks, 100 days is equals to, you have to convert it into days. So 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 5 weeks is equals to 5 multiplied by 7. 5 7 is 35 plus 100 days, 135. So you are going to solve it like this. So let's solve now B part. B part we are going to solve now. So in our B part, you have to, the question is convert into weeks and days. You have to convert it into weeks and days. Your answer should come in weeks and days. So how you are going to solve the questions from this part. So let's take the first 49 days. 49 days. You have to convert it into weeks and days. So here it is already in days. So we have to convert it into weeks. So weeks, we have to convert it into weeks. Days, it is given in days. So our conversion will be the opposite. Here we were using 1 week is equals to 7 days, but now here we will use 7 days because days are given to us. 7 days is equals to 1 week. So 49 days. So now students, here we are converting lower unit into higher unit. So we are going to divide. So we will write 49 divided by 7. So our answer will be 7 weeks. So this was our solution for the first part of B. So the very important thing which I am going to explain you is we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 says that question is given to us in 360 days. So here in 360 days we have to convert it into weeks and days. So again we will apply the same conversion. 7 days is equals to 1 week. So 360 days is equals to 360 divided by 7. Students, just concentrate here now. 360 divided by 7. So we will start 7 5s are 35. 1 and 0. Again 7 ones are 7. So now we cannot divide further. So here your answer, your quotient will be your weeks and your remainder will be your days. As a question says that you have to convert in weeks and days. So our answer always, your quotient will be like this: 51 weeks and 3 days. We cannot divide it further. So here our division stops, and here our answer is. So in this way you are going to solve. So another question which I want to explain you is from the C part.